students, welcome back to another video. I hope every one of you are doing fine. In the last video, we have learned about humans and animals, and under that we have learned about skeletons and muscles. Today we will be learning two subtopics, that is drugs as medicines and how medicines work. First, let us learn what are drugs. Drugs are substances that makes our body change in some ways. Many drugs have good effects, but some drugs can harm our body. Let me give you an example of good drugs. Metformin drugs, they are used to treat diabetes. Statin drugs, they are used to lower our cholesterol. Aspirin drugs, they are used to prevent heart attack. Bad drugs like tobacco, it is a drug which are made of dried leaves and it is used in cigarette. So when a person consumes too much of smoking, it causes damage to our lungs. And not only that, it also weakens our immune system and increase the illness and infections in our body. Different kinds of drugs affect our body in different ways, and the effects associated with the drugs can vary from person to person. Next, what are medicines? Medicines are drugs that makes our body feel better when we are sick. We should remember that all medicines are drugs, but all drugs are not medicine. Example, tobacco is a drug, but it is not a medicine. Now, next is how we take medicines. We take different kinds of medicines in different ways. Some medicines can be like ORS powder. How we use it it comes in a form of powder, so we dissolve in water and then we drink it. Now, some medicines we just breathe it, like inhaler pump. Those persons that are suffering from breathing problem, they use this inhaler pump. Next, it comes in the form of tablet. Tablet comes in different shape, size, and colors. We can have it directly, or first we can take the tablet, then we can drink water in order to dissolve quickly in our stomach. Next, it comes in the form of liquid, like digestion syrup and cough syrup. They come in the form of liquid. And also it has a different colors and flavors. Next is drip. A drip is like a pipe where a string is attached at the end. So this drip is being used by a person who is admitted in a hospital. So in case the person is a very serious condition, he cannot take the medicines of himself. So a drip is being attached to their veins or blood, and that is how the medicines are passed through our body. I hope you are clear till up to that. Next is symptoms and cures. Now, what are symptoms? When we get ill or sick, we get certain sign of illness. So that particular sign is known as symptoms. Different illness has got different symptoms. For example, when you have a flu, you have a symptoms like headache, body ache, sore throat, and high fever. So at that time, what we do is that we take medicines to take our illness. Now, we often become sick or ill because there are germs inside our body, and these germs cannot be seen with our naked eyes. It can be seen only through with the help of microscope. So medicine help us to kill the germs and it also cure us. And then we should not take the medicines as a children. You should not take the medicines on your own. You have to take the prescription from a doctor, a nurse, or an adult who will help you to take the medicines, and you should not take by yourself. So class, that is the end of the topic. I hope you have understood what I've explained you today. Thank you so much for listening patiently. Till then, stay safe.